Welcome to eCademy. My name is Allison King. In this video, you will learn how to multiply fractions using a rectangular model. Let's start by reading this story problem. Lucy bought a candy bar. She decided to give half of it to her three brothers to share equally. What fraction of the whole candy bar will each brother receive? Well, let's start by drawing our candy bar. So here's our rectangle, which is the candy bar. And it says she decided to give half of it to her brothers. So let's cut the candy bar in half. And I'm going to highlight the part she gave to her brothers yellow. Now it says to her three brothers to share equally. So we need to divide this candy bar into thirds. Okay, there are now 6 pieces of this candy bar. And 1/3 of the 1/2 is given to each brother. So the part that's double shaded is the answer to our story problem. There's one square that's double shaded and 6 squares in all. So the answer is 1/6. Each brother will receive 1/6 of a candy bar. And here's our number of model that goes with it. 1/3 times 1/2 is equal to 1/6. Now we're doing 1/2 of 3/4. So we've got our rectangle and we're going to divide it into 4 pieces. So here we go. And I am going to shade, we have 4 pieces and I'm going to shade 3 of them yellow. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to take half of those pieces. So I'm going to cut the rectangle in half and shade half of it blue. Here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces in all. So that's going to be the denominator to our fraction. And then 1, 2, 3 of them are double shaded. So that's our numerator, 3/8. There are 8 pieces in all, and 3 of them are double shaded. So 1/2 of 3/4 is equal to 3/8. Now let's solve 5/8 of 2/3. We're going to draw our rectangle and divide it into 3 equal pieces. Then we are going to shade 2 of them. 1, 2. Now we need to divide it vertically into 8 pieces. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces vertically. And we need to shade 5 of them. Okay, so the total number of squares we've got 8 across and 3 up. We have 24 total squares, so that's our number in all. And then we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 that are double shaded. Therefore, our answer is 10/24 because there are 24 in all and 10 that are double shaded. So 5/8 of 2/3 is equal to 10/24. Okay, I'd like you to try this one on your own. What is 2/5 times 3/4? Here's the rectangle. Pause your video and solve the problem. Unpause when you are ready to correct. Okay, great. Let's see how you did. So first thing, I'm going to divide my rectangle horizontally into 4 pieces. Then I am going to shade 3 of them. 2, 3. Then I'm going to divide my rectangle vertically into 5 pieces because the 5 is the denominator of the other fraction. And I'm going to shade 2 columns blue. So right now we've got a 5x4 rectangle. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 is the number of squares in all. and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are double shaded. So our answer is 6/20. Okay, I'd like you to solve this one. What is 1/2 times 1/2? Here's a rectangle. Pause your video and unpause when you are ready to correct. Okay, great. Let's see how you did. So first I'm going to divide my rectangle in half. And I'm going to shade 1/2 of it yellow. Then I'm going to divide it in half vertically and shade the other half of it blue. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 total pieces, and one of them is double shaded. Therefore, 1/2 times 1/2 is equal to 1/4.